Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel, the Hierophant 1111. So today we are going to be doing a reading on no contact situation. Okay guys, so let's see if you are in no contact with your person, then what do you need to know. There are three piles: the green pile, the silver and the gold. You can choose any one pile, but before that think about your situation, pause the video and then come back and choose the pile which calls to you the most. This is the best way of getting the right pile every time. So also guys, I would like to tell you, go on the first instinct. Okay, if on the first instinct you like the green one, choose the green one. Okay, and you'll get your messages in there. And if it does not resonate with you, feel free to choose another video or any other pile that resonates with you the most. Okay guys, so you take your time. Okay, you pause the video here. Till then I'll be going with the green one. Okay, and see you guys who have chosen the silver and the gold pile. Okay, so first we are going to go with the green pile. And if you all have chosen this beautiful green star, let's see why you are in no contact situation with your person and what's coming. Okay, Four of Swords. There's a healing situation going on after a karmic separation. Okay, so this person is going through a karmic separation and this person is healing himself. They are not ready to listen to anybody, to talk to anybody. Okay, because they are scared of breaking their heart once again. I hope you can see this person is really scared because they have just gone through some legal separation from the karmic person, or they are separated from the parents, from the family, and they are taking this time to heal themselves. Okay, so that is the reason why they are not talking to you, but they will surely come to you with an offer. They will. Okay, very soon. That's what I'm getting. When the healing is over, they will come to you, they will flirt with you, they will spend some good time with you. Okay, and also they will trust you. Okay, right now they are paying attention to the red flags, and maybe your connection will ascend to a higher level. I see engagement over here, but right now, as you know, that you are feeling like they are not talking to me. I don't know what's going on in their life, and is it something serious? Do I need to worry about it? No guys, if they are not talking to you right now, it's because they need their space. Okay, they have gone through some problems, some heartbreak, and now they are not ready to talk to anybody, and they are not prepared to listen to you or anybody. So what I would do is get your angel guidance from my angel power messages deck, and let's see what you need to know, what angels would guide you for this situation if you are in a no contact situation with your person. Okay, so the first is commitment. Make a choice knowing that what is right for you and stick to it. So guys, you are already committed to this person, so just stick to it. Okay, that's what you are being guided to. And let's see again the next what comes for you. Okay, take a break. Yes, you are guided to take a break. Don't overthink, relax. Okay, and also set new priorities for now. Don't make that person a priority because they are not right now available for you. And also practice some spirituality, practice some yoga, meditation. This is what is guided for you if you all have chosen the green pile. Okay, and also I'm seeing sensitivity over here, like you are being very selfish and you are only thinking about your needs. Think about your partner's needs, think about your person's needs. Maybe that person is busy, they have maybe they need time to heal, maybe they need time to be able to reconnect with you through a big turmoil and fear and anxiety that they have gone through. They need some time, so give them that time guys. Let's move on to the next pile and let's see what comes for you if you have chosen the silver star. Okay, if you have chosen this beautiful silver star, why are you in no contact with your person, and then I'll tell you what you could be doing for contact. Okay, so let's see. I see the Ten of Swords. Your person has been backstabbed, okay, really badly. Okay, they are heartbroken. They can't go on anymore, and right now they are spending time alone. They are cherishing their alone time. They are practicing some creativity. Okay, and they are relaxing, though they are attached to the children, I should say. If you are in a third party situation, this would apply to you. They might be attached to the siblings, to their family, to their children. Okay, if they are not married, to the small cousins. but they have been backstabbed, and that's why they are all alone. Okay, they want a new beginning, guys, and they are looking outwards for a new beginning. Okay, that is the reason why you are not in contact with this person, because this person is thinking of a new beginning. And though they have, they are though they have been backstabbed, though they are, in spending their alone time, they still want their family to be around them. Okay, so there has been something, that is the reason why they are not talking to you. They are in, I see this cat, very much in anxiety, stress, and feeling the danger right now, but only being next to their family will make them feel good. Okay, so this is going to change, guys, if they are going to contact you in the month of October. Maybe they are calling in your soulmate. Okay, they are calling you in, they are looking for true love, but first they have to release their ex. Okay, so that is the reason why they are not talking to you, is because they have been backstabbed, but they need to release their past first. Okay, they know you will wait for them, they know that they are worth waiting for, and this your connection is a deeper soulmate twin flame connection. So even the religious factors are there, so maybe this is the reason why, like, this person has not approached you as yet, but they are just, just now they have gone through a lot, they have been exhausted. Now they have got the free time, to think about you, to think about, family, to think about, a love connection, to think about, now they are free from maybe their work, now they are free from everything, now they have the time to practice creativity. Okay, let's get you some guidance from my angel power messages deck. Okay, some cards were left, no, these cards were the first pile. So let's see what angel wants to guide you, what you should be doing right now until this person comes around. Okay, addictions, take care that you are not led astray by temptations of material power or self-deception. So do not, guys, get into the ego trip. That's what I'm getting. Do not think that, okay, that they have deceived me, and I don't know why I felt. Do not deceive yourself, and do not feel that they have deceived you. Take care, okay, of yourself. Don't get into the temptations of a shortcut or something like that. Just hold on. Let's see what more. Okay, what more do we have over here? What does the angel guide us? Originality, act on your inspirational ideas, and time to trust your instincts. So guys, you keep your originality going, be the one, don't dream to fit in with other people, be the original you, trust your intuitions that this person will come back. Okay, and let's see what else, what's the next card that can come out for you. Reborn. Okay, so your connection is being reborn. This is an end of an old cycle, and just, it is inevitable. Okay, so whatever has happened was supposed to happen, so just let the fear go. Okay, and just move on. That is what I would like to tell you for the pile silver. Okay, now let's move on and let's see what do the pile gold have for you. Okay, so if you have chosen this beautiful gold pile, okay, let's see why a person is not in contact with you, what's going on. Okay, this person is busy in work and giving time to themselves. Okay, but they will come to you. Okay, they don't have enough time. The few moments that they get, maybe a few hours after work, that's the thing that they want to spend with themselves. That's what I'm getting. They are scared, I don't know why they are scared, but there's a hanged man kind of a situation. So okay, so they are scared because they want to come and offer you something that is very little. Okay, that is very small, that is very petty, and what you want is, you are the Queen of Pentacles, you don't take anything less than commitment. So this is the reason why this person is scared, to come and offer you something little, because they do have romantic feelings, but they are trying to, they do feel that you are the one, this could be the one. Let's show you this. They want to express their love. Okay, See this, if I could show you even closer. So they want to express the love, they do have romantic feelings for you, but what they see is that you deserve love, and you know, they want to show you that you deserve love. So for this and the heart to heart conversations, they want to show you they feel you deserve love, but love yourself first. So they are practicing to self love, to love themselves before they even actually come to you and offer you something what you will like. Okay, so let's go on and let's see what do you have to do, what the angels guide you from my angel power messages deck, and let's see what do angels guide you for this no contact situation, what you should be doing. Okay, meanwhile, so what I see of your insight: start afresh, look at the options you have and be inspired, be willing to take calculated risks for success. So for now you are required, you know, to see all the options you have regarding your life, in your career, in your love life, and you know, take calculated risks. Okay, make a decision by seeing both sides of the argument. Somewhere I feel that there has been a misunderstanding, a argument, that is the reason why they have got scared and, you know, focusing on their themselves. You know, the hanged man, they are in limbo whether to come and, you know, approach you or not, but you are guided to, you know, make decisions of your life, seeing other opportunities and from a balanced point of view. Okay, let's see what one more card for you. Journey, be in the driving seat in the journey of your life. Okay, so you are guided to take your life where you wish to take it, not waiting for someone who has kept you in limbo, or maybe you know, like thinking whether you want to stay here or choose a better option, depending on whether you want to take the risk and if this person is worth taking the risk and waiting for. So this is what I have, guys, for you today. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Hierophant 1111. Also guys, do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. Bye bye.